It's basically a brush we can fade. Oh my goodness, guys. You see how my morning's going? What's going on, guys? I just got back from the CT Barber Expo. I traveled for like 12 hours yesterday after a crazy busy show, and I'm headed straight to the shop this morning. I got a suitcase full of stuff. I got to unpack all my tools, show you guys all the stuff I got while I was at the expo, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So let's head to the shop. We're right around the corner, and we'll get at it. Alright guys, so I got a ton of stuff. These are the pods. This is the base right here. I don't know if I told you guys, but I originally set up all the new pods and then they needed them back to set up the 3-tiered setup that you guys saw at CT, if you guys saw that video. But Drake called, asked for the pods back and told me I could get them at CT, and then he sent me the base beforehand, so the base is in here, pods are in the suitcase. So let's go ahead and open this up, get it out, and then when we get all that stuff out, we will finish setting up the pods. I apologize guys, I cannot breathe today. Man, like a glove. So here they are guys, finally got them back. Excited to set them up. We've got a blank space right here on my station for a couple weeks now. So we're gonna get the base out, set it up, and then when we get the pods out, obviously we will finish the rest of the setup. I think I pretty much got these same pods that I had before. I'll check them out when we get them out, but this packaging is so tight. I think I did this on the unboxing. Come on, man. Seriously. That Apple stuff, man. Bossy I've been talking about, he loves the Apple packaging for years. We finally got it. I literally can't even get this out. Goodness. What's funny, I set all these up at CT. I did not have, oh, I'm an idiot. Guys, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. There's tape. There's tape. There's tape. Don't do what I did. Cut the tape. God. Anyway, pretend that didn't happen, guys. Now when you shake it, it just comes right off. Not that easy, but yeah, there we go. So no different here, guys. I don't know if you guys saw the unboxing, but if you didn't, definitely check that out. I'm not gonna go over it too much because you guys need to watch that video. But there's our base. Go ahead and get it out. We'll go ahead and find the plug-in in the back of the station. I think I left one open, and get this thing set up. Then you guys can see what else is in my suitcase. I got so one cord in the end. I'm gonna go on the left end, same end as my power mat. Go ahead and set it back here. I'll show you guys when we get it all set up. All right, guys, so the first thing we're gonna get out is the pods. All 6 of them. So you guys did not see the packaging when I got the pods in. I did not have the packaging, but you guys can see Tomb45 wireless charging pod. This is obviously the low pro, guys, but super nice packaging. Hey, we got some tape on this one, I noticed beforehand. So we'll go ahead and open all 6 of these up, get them snapped into the pod base, and then I'll have my pod set up and get all the rest of that stuff out. Go ahead and flip all these. We're gonna knock out all that tape at once. Man, what an idiot earlier. I mean, guys. So guys, we did not sell out of the pods at CT. We had a few left, like something like 19 sets. So if you guys are looking for those, this video should be, you know, a little bit later, a couple weeks later. And if you guys are looking for those, then they should be dropping soon. So you guys do not miss out on that. Definitely stay tuned so you guys can get that same deal. But there's one, we're gonna put the slimline all the way at the end. Boom. Snap it in and we're good. Let's see what we got here. Low Pro, FX3, FX3, Gamma. All right, let's put the Gamma. Packaging is solid, guys. Super nice. Nobody had even seen it yet when we opened them up at the show. So, little cap on top. Obviously the nice Apple packaging. Here's our pod. This is the Gamma pod. I'm gonna put it next to this for my flex trimmer. Now we will go FX3 clipper. All right, so the clipper goes on this groove in the front. So we're gonna put it here next to the shaver, snap that in. Let me ask you guys a question. If you were doing this, would you guys put each box back together before you got done? Or would you just throw everything everywhere? Well, as I say that, I got one that's not packed together. But I drive my wife crazy because I'm all about finishing things while you start. So put all this back in now, then we don't have 6 to do at the end. It's already done and out of the way. So next to the FX3, we're gonna do the FX3 shaver. I should have paid attention to the front, huh? We'll wait till I get that out. Yeah, guys, so this little piece on here says the front when you look, when it is, well, I bet I can guess that it goes around that. So, okay, we know which one the front is. But basically to tell you which way the front goes. Put that right here. And you guys may notice this compressor out on my station. I haven't had one out for a little while. I did get a new one. Spray's super nice. And I did a video on it, so make sure you guys check that out. And last but not least, Low Pro, clipper, and trimmer. Clipper first. Just leave that out. And trimmer. Now guys, I got something cooking up with some Low Pros. Well, I got a lot of stuff cooking up, but I got an idea cooking up with the low pros, so you gotta stay tuned for that. Y'all gonna go crazy. All right, guys, so, oh my goodness. All right, guys, so all the pods are set up. I'm gonna get this stuff out of the way. We'll check out the next stuff. I just want you guys to see, I gotta come up with some storage, guys. Look, we got the pod boxes. Here's the compressor that I gave away. We got 2, that's a little sneak peek. This is a little Amazon kit for you. But I do not have anywhere to put all this extra stuff. You see boxes everywhere. The troll's still over there. I gotta figure something out. What do you guys think? I might get rid of that small tool chest and put a cabinet there. Of course, I'd have to rehang stuff. But anyway, guys, let's actually go ahead, get my tools out, put them back up, and then we'll get all the goodies out. Here's something new, guys. I got this at the show. I don't know if I'll do a whole video on it, but it says Fad Ink, I think, F-A-D. We got a ruler on the end here. It's basically a brush we can fade. Oh my goodness, guys. You see how my morning's going? Man, y'all just saw it in real life. You see my guard video when it hits the edge of the mat and it shoots across the shop. You just saw it in real life. This fell, hit the edge of the mat, and slid all the way to the back. So anyway, guys, probably won't do a whole video on this. But if I can find the link for it, I will put it down below. But basically a comb and a brush in one. Good morning.
Good morning.
That was B saying good morning. Most of you guys have seen B. If you guys want me to interview her, she hasn't been on the channel for a while. If you guys want to see her, maybe do a update. She's been here a whole year. And we can get her on here and do cut her sides again or something and see how she's been doing. Guys, I'm waiting on the Boosted and the Rebel docks. I'm still using the docks that they come with because we don't have the pods yet. So when the pods come out, can't wait to get those. We're gonna put this back up. We're gonna get the FX3 out. As I am efficient at packing my bag, I know exactly where everything is. I put it in the same spot every time. Same spot every time, yes, the same spot every time. If you don't, man, you come home from these shows and you be losing all your stuff. Got this new OP texture comb, you know what I'm saying? A little wide tooth styling comb, super nice from the OP booth. My dog, shout out to OP. There's our TPOB shaver. Combs. Took a bunch of stuff with me, guys. It was obviously a big show. Lots of stuff to do. I never knew what cut I was gonna do. Funny enough, I took a ton of clips and I ended up doing an all scissor cut. So it worked out. All right, guys, so I came home with something top secret. I really can't show you guys. I gotta blur this out. I apologize. But guys, you're gonna go crazy when you find out what this is. It should be coming out soon. I can't wait to test it out. Got some other stuff to test out back there too. So that's all for the bag. Let's go ahead and get these boxes out and see what's in there. Alright guys, we got some statement stuff. It's from my guy DC. So a couple sprayed powders. This is his favorite product. So we were right next to statement, so I had to hook my dog up. And they gave us a couple free things. Dry clay and a shine paste. So super cool. I'm sure he'll be excited about that. Matter of fact, he loves statement, so we'll just leave it in the bag and hook him up. Next up, you guys asked for the Cocco bundle, guys. So the Cocco bundle clipper and trimmer, I was able to get my hands on them. I got a couple buddies that work for them I didn't even know. So we will be unboxing these soon. This new digital gap technology, I don't really even know what it's about. I have some people that say it's just a gimmick, it's just a name to put on zero gapping. But my dog Beam actually said he tested these out and said they were crazy. So coming soon, guys, the Cocco bundle. Next up, I don't know if you guys have seen this. It is called the Wezteck blade, or made to fade is what it says on here. Basically, guys, this is kind of a crazy idea. This blade actually goes onto your clipper. These screw holes, you screw it onto your clipper. And with this little adjuster right here, when you put the guard on, it will actually go longer and shorter on the blade, and you don't really have to change guards. So I think this goes like a 0 to a 2, 2 to a 4, and then everything past that. So obviously I will give you guys more details when we get to that. I gotta study up a little bit. It's a little bit complicated, just a little bit different than your standard blading guards. And we're excited about this one, guys. The Rebel Trimmer, basically a hitter with more power, and it has the T-outliner size blade. Let me tell you guys, these things feel crazy. Can't wait to do an unboxing. That's probably what I'm gonna do next. So we will check this out next on the channel. Not next, like next video. But if you're watching this, coming soon, the Rebel Trimmer unboxing. And last but not least, guys, we have the Supreme Trimmer. It is called the Vader. You know I had to have that green. This is actually a display model. So we have the black one to unbox so we can check out the box and all the packaging. All I got is the black box for the green one. So the green one's probably the one I will keep. We're gonna unbox the black one. I may let one of my guys check it out, or I may let one of you guys check it out. So we will see when we get to that video. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Got the pods set up. Low Pros, FX3, Flex, Slimline. Everything's set back up, ready to go. I got a busy day. I got to fill up my water bottle, but whole bunch of unboxings coming soon. But yeah, guys, CT Barber Expo was a success. We brought a bunch of stuff home. Got our pods back. If you guys didn't see the CT video, definitely check that out. If you didn't see the pods video, definitely check that out. And stay tuned for all of this stuff. I'm gonna put both of those videos right here in case you guys missed them. Check out that CT up here and the pods right here. Peace.